In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change date of birth on Twitter. So Twitter is now named as X, and if you wish to change your date of birth, it's actually really simple. You can just head over right here to your actual Twitter, and I have in here this help article that helps us do it. So if you want to do so, just log into your Twitter account and then click on the profile icon. It should be on the quick navigation bar on the left side of your laptop or desktop screen. From in there, you should find the Edit Profile button, and next to that, you should be able to be the birth date. Click on Edit on there, and then after that, under the birth date, you'll see month, date, and year. Add your date of birth and select Save. So your actual date of birth is really matter since it will determine if you're 18 plus and allowed on some stuffs on Twitter that are not allowed on kids. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.